Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best 6-inch grow fan is probably one of the most important investments you can make for your indoor grow tent, ensuring optimal airflow and temperature control for healthy, thriving plants. This video will help you navigate the world of 6-inch grow tent fans, exploring key features, performance metrics, and essential considerations to help you choose the perfect fan for your specific needs and budget, leading to a bountiful harvest. Number 5. AC Infinity CLOUDLINE PRO T6. It's the ultimate solution for quiet and efficient ventilation. This inline duct fan offers precise climate control for a variety of applications. It's perfect for creating the ideal environment for your plants. Maintain optimal temperature and humidity levels with ease. It efficiently moves air to regulate temperatures in various spaces. Say goodbye to uncomfortable temperatures and hello to climate control. It operates quietly and uses less energy than comparable models. Enjoy a peaceful environment without sacrificing performance. It connects to your Wi-Fi network for remote monitoring and control. Access advanced programming and automation features from anywhere. It boasts a 6-inch duct size, delivers 402 CFM of airflow, and operates at a whisper-quiet 32 dBA. It's built to last with dual ball bearings. What we like. This fan is whisper quiet, allowing for a peaceful grow environment. It boasts smart features for precise climate control, ensuring optimal growing conditions. If you prioritize a quiet and technologically advanced solution for your grow tent, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. The included controller allows you to set specific parameters, ensuring that your space maintains the optimal conditions for your needs. This fan is a game changer when it comes to controlling temperature and humidity levels in my indoor garden. It moves a significant amount of air, effectively regulating the temperature and humidity levels in my grow tent. Number 4. AC Infinity CLOUDRAY S6. This innovative clip-on fan is designed for superior airflow in your grow space. It's built to last, with a powerful motor and durable construction. It features a larger brushless EC motor with carbon steel gears and dual ball bearings for extended lifespan. This ensures reliable performance for years to come. With 10 oscillation ranges, it provides targeted airflow or wide coverage, easily avoiding obstacles in your grow tent. You can precisely direct the airflow where it's needed most. Experience 10 different speeds and 10 dynamic wind modes, simulating natural outdoor airflow for optimal plant health and growth. It's like giving your plants a gentle breeze. It seamlessly integrates with UIS controllers for convenient Wi-Fi app control. Schedule timers, set climate triggers, and enjoy advanced automation for effortless management. It's IP54 rated, meaning it's weatherproof and built to withstand the rigors of a grow environment. It's a reliable and durable solution for your needs. What we like. This fan is built to last with its robust motor and weatherproof design. It offers customizable airflow patterns to suit different plant needs and grow tent layouts. If you need a durable and adaptable circulation solution, this fan is ideal for you. What people say. The AC Infinity fans are performing exceptionally well. These fans have proven themselves to be both quiet and highly efficient, making them a valuable addition to any grow setup. Their noise levels are minimal if not silent, which is a significant advantage for anyone who requires a peaceful environment. Just got it today and got it installed and running on my AI controller in minutes. Features allowing to control degree of swing and angle manually are easy and awesome. Runs super smooth and quiet. Comes packed well, is quick and easy to set up, and works like a champ. They include a clear instruction manual and a well-designed intro to growing guide. It's super quiet, even on higher settings. There's also more than enough power to move a lot of air. Number 3. VIVOSUN 6 Inline Fan Kit. Setting up a grow tent. This all-in-one kit has everything you need for optimal ventilation. It includes a powerful fan, carbon filter, and ducting for efficient airflow. This 6-inch inline fan moves 390 cubic feet of air per minute, keeping your grow space cool and comfortable. Its quiet operation ensures a peaceful environment. The included carbon filter effectively removes odors and contaminants from the air. Its high-quality construction ensures long-lasting performance. The multi-layer ducting is made of fire-retardant materials for safety and durability. It's designed for easy installation and secure connections. Rust-free clamps are included to ensure a secure connection between the fan, filter, and ducting. This prevents air leaks and maximizes efficiency. This kit makes setting up your grow tent ventilation system a breeze. Everything you need is included for a quick and easy installation. What we like. This is a complete ventilation system in one box, including a powerful fan, carbon filter, and ducting. It offers strong airflow to keep your grow tent cool and fresh. If you're setting up a new grow tent and want a convenient, all-inclusive solution, this is the one for you. What people say. It's a great little fan. She makes her own essential oils. We can run this fan at low speed on a 24x24x48 enclosure. She can now grow a 10x20 of peppermint and a 10x20 of oregano with no smell in the guest room. Works great, removes odors, dust and smoke, clears a 500 SQFR room in under 10 minutes. Great bundle, comes with timer, hanging hooks and straps, fan, scrubber, vent, duct and clamps, in other words everything you need to get started. Airflow is strong and can be loud at its highest setting. I run this 24/7 in my VIVOSUN 5x5 at its lowest setting and it does its job and some more. Setup is seamless and I've got it running in my living room with no sound issues at all. Number 2. VIVOSUN AeroWave A6 Grow Fan. This innovative grow fan is designed to optimize airflow in your grow tent. Its unique features ensure your plants thrive in a comfortable environment. It easily clamps onto various surfaces without slipping or scratching, thanks to its thick rubber pads. This secure design ensures stability and safety. Enjoy strong airflow with minimal noise. The dual ball bearing EC motor provides a long lifespan and operates at only 33 dB. It automatically oscillates 90 degrees horizontally and allows for 80 degrees of manual vertical adjustment. This ensures even air circulation around your plants. It simulates natural wind patterns to reduce plant stress and promote healthy growth. This innovative feature helps your plants flourish. It offers 5 adjustable speed settings directly on the fan, and up to 10 levels when connected to the VIVOSUN app. You have complete control over airflow. Control it remotely using the VIVOSUN app, compatible with VIVOSUN Grow Hub E42, E42A, E25. Set timers and adjust speeds from anywhere. It's weatherproof with an IP54 rating, perfect for humid grow tent environments. Safety features include automatic rebound and a compact design. What we like. This fan offers smart Wi-Fi control and automatic oscillation for even airflow distribution. It's also incredibly quiet, ensuring a peaceful environment for your plants. If you value smart home integration and a quiet operation, this is the perfect choice. What people say. These fans are also super quiet. Amazingly so. I have never used any kind of fan in any kind of application that was as quiet as these fans are. These things move some serious air. I am only using speed setting number 2 out of 5, and I would never need to increase that speed, at least not from a close distance. And that's another wonderful feature. Whatever your horticultural setup is, and just about whatever your distance requirements are, these fans deliver in the airflow department. The grip is absolutely amazing and they do not slip down the poles. Every other clip fan I have owned falls or slips, but not these babies. Multiple speeds, you can't even tell. Choose a simple breeze to high winds with the tap of a button. Number 1. VIVOSUN AeroWave A6 Fan. This innovative clip-on fan is designed for powerful airflow and quiet operation. It's perfect for various uses, from grow tents to home offices. Despite its strong airflow, it operates at only 40 dB. The upgraded copper motor ensures efficient cooling without disturbing noise. Its patented clamp securely attaches to various surfaces, including round poles, square poles, and flat surfaces. A rubber pad prevents scratches and slippage. It offers 80 degrees horizontal and 120 degrees vertical oscillation. You can easily adjust the airflow direction with a simple twist. 2 speed settings are easily adjusted with a simple clockwise turn of the power switch. The removable front grille simplifies blade cleaning. It's ideal for grow tents, homes, offices, or even camping and travel. It provides a steady stream of refreshing air wherever you need it. What we like. This fan is simple to operate and adjust, with multiple speed settings and oscillation options. Despite its compact size, it delivers powerful airflow. If you prefer a straightforward, yet effective, cooling solution, this fan is for you. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.